This tutorial shows the basic techniques to select entities in RealCAD. To select an entity, position your crosshair over the entity until a diamond appears. Then click your left mouse button. The entity will change appearance and look grey and dashed. You'll notice that only one entity can be selected at a time. To select more than one entity, hold down the Shift key while selecting the entities. If you make a mistake and want to deselect an entity, simply reselect it while still holding down the Shift key. To add new entities to your selection, simply select them while still holding down the Shift key. To deselect all selected entities, simply click on a blank area of screen with your left mouse button. To select a large number of entities at one go, you can drag a window around them. Position your crosshair on a blank area of screen and hold down your left mouse button. Move your cursor to the right and down, and an elastic rectangle will follow. Release your button when the rectangle surrounds the entities you want selected. There are two very important things to note about this technique. First, only the entities that are completely enclosed within the rectangle will be selected. For example, a rectangle dragged from here to here will only select the solid yellow line, the dark blue circle and the light blue arc. The green text, the green vertical line and the dashed yellow line weren't selected because they weren't completely inside the rectangle. And second, you must drag the rectangle from left to right. Dragging the rectangle from left to right selects all entities inside the rectangle. Dragging a rectangle from right to left selects all entities outside the rectangle. In fact, dragging a rectangle from right to left is a quick way to select all entities. Simply drag a small rectangle from right to left in a blank area of the screen like this. All the entities are outside the rectangle and so they are all selected. You can use single click, dragged windows and the Shift key in whatever combination you need to select the entities you want. For example, to select everything in this drawing except the two bits of text, you could use the Shift key and select each entity individually. But as you can see, that would take a long time. Or you could drag a window from left to right around part of the drawing and then hold down the Shift key and drag more left to right windows and still using the Shift key individually select the remaining entities. Or you could drag a right to left window in a small blank area of screen to select everything, and then while holding the Shift key down, deselect the text. There's no right or wrong way to select entities. Use whichever method or combination of methods that suit you best. These techniques can be used whenever you need to locate or select entities and are common to all commands. That completes this tutorial.